Not all abuse leaves bruises. Some of the deepest scars are invisible. Psychological abuse isn't about shouting or hitting. It's about control, manipulation, and silence. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're in it until it's too late. What psychological abuse really is. Psychological abuse is the hidden weapon in toxic relationships. It's not one single act. It's a pattern of behaviors designed to wear you down. This includes gaslighting, silent treatment, constant criticism, guilt-tripping, and subtle control. Unlike physical abuse, it doesn't leave visible marks, but it damages your self-worth, independence, and even your brain chemistry. Key signs you might be experiencing it. Gaslighting, making you doubt your own reality. You hear you're imagining things or you're too sensitive. Silent treatment, withdrawal of communication to punish and control. Excessive criticism. No matter what you do, it's never enough. Isolation, slowly cutting you off from friends, family, or support. Control, subtle monitoring of your choices, money, or even your emotions. Victims often describe feeling like they're walking on eggshells, constantly second-guessing themselves. Why it's so damaging. Psychological abuse rewires your self-image. You start believing the abuser's narrative. It triggers constant stress responses, fight or flight mode, leading to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Over time, you lose trust in your own mind, and that's exactly what the abuser wants. Breaking free. The first step, awareness. Recognizing these behaviors is powerful. Build self-awareness. Write down moments you felt controlled or invalidated. Reconnect with support systems, trusted friends, family, or therapy. Strengthen emotional intelligence. Understand your emotions. Set healthy boundaries and rebuild confidence. Psychological abuse is silent, but it's not invisible once you know the signs. Remember, love should never feel like control, silence, or fear. If you see these patterns in your life, know that change is possible and you deserve peace, respect, and freedom. Subscribe to Iron Mind for more insights on psychology, emotional intelligence, and relationships. Together, we'll uncover the hidden patterns and learn how to break free from them.